friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Inhale Academy. Friends, today we will discuss a topic of research, that is review of literature. What is review of literature? After you selecting the problem in research, what will you do? You have to collect the available knowledge. You have to collect the available document related to your topic. For example, suppose effect of smoking on lungs cancer is your research topic. So you have to search for the knowledge related to smoking as well as lungs cancer. Through internet or through books or through journals, you have to source the available knowledge for your topic, so that searching the knowledge from different sources is known as review of literature. Simple definition of review of literature is selection as well as collection of available knowledge and available document for the particular topic of your study is known as review of literature. Then what are the sources of review of literature? Before we know about sources, we know that what are the types of sources of review of literature. There are two types of sources of review of literature. First one is primary sources, second one is secondary sources. What is primary sources? Primary sources means research report is written by the person who is conduct the research. Who is conduct, this person will also writing the report, is known as primary sources. And what is secondary sources? Secondary sources means the person who conduct the research is different as well as person writing the research report. Means who is conduct the research, he is not writing the report, another researcher will writing the report. So the conduct of person is different and the writing of the research report is different. One person is not here, two person is there, but in primary there is one researcher who is conducting and who is writing the research. But in secondary, one person is conduct the research and another person will writing the report. That is the difference between primary and secondary sources. So sources are electronic sources like internet. In internet you search, that is www.sinhal.com and finds your result. Another resources is magazine, newspaper, conference paper, workshop and journal. There are different sources. You have to collect the idea for your review of literature. Then what are the steps you should follow for writing the literature review? First one is identifying the concept of research. Means you have to find out your research problem. For example, effect of smoking on lungs cancer is your research problem. That is identifying the concept of research. Second step is identifying the key terms to research. Means if your research problem is effects of smoking on lungs cancer, what are the terms of here? Here the terms are lungs cancer and smoking. These are the terms of research. Then next one point is identifying the relevant resources. Means from where you will get the literature, like book, like internet and like journals, where you have to conduct the relevant resources for your review of literature. Next one point is search for the literature. Means you have to search for the literature. After identifying the sources, you are searching the literature from different sources. Then analyzing and synthesizing the literature. Means analyzing means what? Analyzing means you have to examine it. After searching your relevant information or after searching your review of literature, you have to examine it or analyze it, and synthesizing it means add whatever you require and remove whatever you not required, that is your synthesizing, that is analyzing and synthesizing the literature. Next one is writing the literature. Writing the literature means it depends upon the policy of your institution for writing the literature review, or it depends on the policy of your universities. But common formula is you have a introduction, you have a body, and you have a conclusion part. In conclusion part, you have to write regarding the main contribution and the most significant finding, and conclude the writing of the literature review. So 3 steps you have to write, that is introduction, body and conclusion in your review of literature. Next one is referencing and reviewing the final draft of literature. That is, you have to reviewing the literature for the completeness and for the accuracy, and regarding reference you have to check author name, year of published and page number. So these are the steps you have to follow for writing the review of literature. First one is identifying the concept of research, then second one is identifying the key terms to research, then identifying the relevant resources, then search for the literature, then analyzing and synthesizing the literature, then writing the literature. Next one and last one step is referencing and reviewing the final draft of the literature. Friends, this much for today's topic. Hope you will like this video. For more informative video, please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.